If you're watching this right now, there's a chance you're tired. Not just physically, but soul-deep exhausted. Like no amount of sleep or coffee can fix what you're feeling. And I've got to ask you, when was the last time you felt genuinely okay? Because burnout doesn't show up all at once. It creeps in, steals your spark, and leaves you running on empty. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be this way. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your peace, restore your energy, and avoid burnout before it breaks you. Burnout isn't just being tired. It's a state of chronic physical and emotional depletion caused by prolonged stress. Your brain goes foggy, your mood tanks, your motivation gone. And it's not just about work. Students, creators, parents, caregivers, anyone can burn out. In medical terms, burnout is a syndrome involving emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, feeling detached, reduced sense of accomplishment, but in real life, it feels like you're living on autopilot and everything becomes a just get through it moment. That's not living. That's surviving. Here are 5 red flags you're burning out, and fast. 1. You wake up tired every single day. 2. The things you once loved now feel like chores. 3. You're emotionally numb or constantly irritated. 4. You procrastinate, not because you're lazy, but because you're drained. 5. You feel guilty for resting. If you nodded your head to more than 2 of these, don't brush it off. Your body is trying to talk to you. Listen. All right. Now for the real talk. Here's how to stop burnout before it eats you alive. 1. Set hard stops. Don't just log off. Shut down. Create non-negotiable end times for work. And stick to them like your life depends on it. Because honestly, it might. 2. Protect your energy like it's currency. Not everyone deserves access to you 24/7. Start saying no without guilt. You're not a machine. You're a masterpiece in progress. 3. Move your body. Gently, not gym rat energy. Just walk, stretch, dance in your room. Movement clears cortisol, your stress hormone, and wakes up your mind. 4. Rest without earning it. You don't need to hit a productivity quota to deserve rest. You're not a robot. You're human. Rest is your right, not a reward. 5. Connect with purpose. Talk to people who refill your soul. Not drain it. Journal. Meditate. Reconnect with your why. That's your fuel. Burnout thrives in silence. But you're not alone, and you're not weak for needing rest. You're human. A creative, brilliant, one-of-a-kind spark that the world needs whole, not half alive. So if today you choose to breathe, to slow down, to say no, to choose you, then you've already taken the first step toward healing. Burnout may be loud, but recovery can be louder. You've got this. If this resonated with you, drop it in the comments. Let me know you're choosing growth today. Subscribe for weekly insights on mental health, self-care, and healing. Because here at Health Insights, we don't just talk health, we live it. Until next time, breathe deep, protect your peace, and take care of you.